Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another episode of Urku's Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful presentation and plating of hummus. Let's begin. Now put some hummus in your bowl. Now move it slowly with your left hand the bowl and take the spoon in the right hand. Move like this slowly. And your spoon must be in 60 degrees centigrade. And now push it the hummus little bit down like this and move the bowl with your left hand slowly. Now it's looking very beautiful. Now it's complete. Now let's make some garnish. Put some cilantro, parsley, and this is paprika. Put some paprika with the help of a fork. Does it look beautiful? Some pomegranate seeds. If you have chickpeas, that is more better. You can put chickpeas, boiled chickpeas. Now put some extra virgin olive oil and look how it looks. Wow, it's awesome. Now this is ready in a bowl. Now I will show you how to make in a mini bowl, in a small, very small bowl. In a small bowl, put the hummus, 1 tablespoon hummus, and you must be use a small teaspoon to make it presentation. Like this same I am doing with the help of your left hand with the bowl. Now take the spoon and push like this little bit down and move your bowl slowly. Some extra virgin olive oil. If you have chickpeas, you can put. If you have pomegranate, you can put on garnish. After making a mini bowl presentation of hummus, now we will make to use a big plate to make a presentation. We can use this plate for buffet or a big family dinner. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Inshallah, in our next videos I will show you how to make hummus and other Lebanese food also. Now this is method, slowly slightly. Now take the spoon. Spoon must be in your right hand and you must move the plate with your left hand. Look how I slowly up and down, and same garnish. I use some cucumbers for garnish. You can use cucumber for garnish in small balls. If you have red radish, then much more better. Now look how I peel cucumber half. Make them seedless and then make the garnish. Now we try to put some paprika with the help of a fork, because if you put with your hands it look not better. Now it's look very nice, beautiful. Now put some oil. Now it's almost ready. It's very beautiful. Now some pomegranate seeds. If you have chickpeas, you can some chickpeas. Now it's ready. Now let's make another plate. It's a different style. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.